Here's Snowflake Rag. Let's take a look here. We're going to play around with the chromatic scale. So let's start off with our thumb right hand on middle C, my thumb left hand onto G. Here's how the whole piece sounds. So let's start off with our right hand, starting on middle C. My finger will be 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Follow me. Next. And I'm going to say peanut and butter jump. Hold with F and B. Move my thumb over to E and turn over. Back to the same thing. Now switch our thumb over to G. Turn up, up, up to E. Skip and a 6. Turn. Move our thumb over to G, going up to C. Here's when the rhythm changes a bit. We're going to move over to middle A. So see the middle C right there? My thumb will be on A. Move back to A. And thumb to G sharp. Slide over to B, F, and G. And the last page. Move your thumb back to E. Skip. And a 6. Move our thumb to G. Now let's move the thumb to E. Down and thumb over to G, turn and to C, move up to E and C. So that's right hand. Let's switch over to the left hand. Starting our thumb on G, we're turning our 3 up to A flat. So we're not going to go down. Let's go up. Peanuts and butter jump. Go down to G, hold that down. Move your 5 over to C. 4, 1 and 2, stretch your 5 over to B, 4 and 5, and back to C, 4, B, and G. Keep your 2 here where C is, stretch your thumb up to G, C, 4, 5, 4, and to B, and to C. thumb over to C, go down, B and A. Move your 5 over to E, stretch that, and then A. Next to it, G. Move your 5 back to C. 4, B, 4 and B, C. 4, B and G. Finally, C. Stretch all the way to low C. Move your thumb back to this C. And let's use a chromatic scale going up to E. Now your thumb over to G, going up to middle C, and end on the low C.